I think Apple Watches are ugly. Moment of transparency, y'all. I said there was no way in hell I would spend $799 on an Apple Watch Ultra because I got an Apple Watch Series 7 45mm. I just bought it like 4 months ago. It works fantastic. I'm not gonna make use out of anything new that this Apple Watch Ultra has to offer. And I tweeted that out. And then the next day, I started to see everybody's pictures. And I was like, damn, that's kinda dope. And then I got FOMO. And the next morning I went on Apple's website and found out that they were sold out and I couldn't get one. I was like, I don't want it. And then I went on Best Buy's website and they had one in stock locally. Olive green with the little strap. I don't really like the color of the strap, but I bought it. And I shouldn't have. And I'm about to go get it. It is what it is. I got a problem, man. All right, we have arrived. I ordered this already, so I'm just about to run in here and grab it. They better not give me no problems either. Y'all know what my stupid ass did? I left my ID, credit cards, everything back at home. 20-minute drive. So I guess I'll be back. I'll be back, Best Buy. Let's try this again. All right, we made it. Finally got it. Got a couple runs I gotta make before we can go home and unbox it. I just got my nose ring changed. I ran in the mall. Hey, I don't know if I'm keeping this. For this thing to cost so much, this box is really, really trash, but I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if this is something I wanna keep. Like I said, I never imagined I was gonna pay $800 for a friggin' Apple Watch when the Apple Watch I got works just fine. I have no interest in hiking or climbing mountainsides, anything like that. I really just need to scratch the itch, you know what I'm saying? So I'm being very transparent in this video for you snobs. I don't know if I'm keeping this or not. I'm taking y'all on a journey with me. If I take it back, I'm telling you I'm taking it back. If I'm keeping it, I'm telling you I'm keeping it, and I'm giving you all the reasons why, okay? Now, let's go unbox it. All right, y'all, we are back at the house. Let me put this on camera right there, and finally got the Apple Watch Ultra, all $800 freaking of it here at the crib. So I had to buy a gray band because I don't like the green band that comes on here, but that was the only color they had. So without further ado, let's get into this. Open this bad boy up. I am wearing a Series 7 right now, the midnight one, and I do love this watch. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get this bad boy opened up. This is some pretty trash packaging, Apple. I was expecting, never mind. Got your little placard or card, whatever. I'm not really interested in any of this stuff, okay? Get rid of all of this. All right, so here we are. All right, so pull tab. My bad if we a little overexposed. Sometimes you just gotta overexpose in your life. Flip the bad boy over, open it up. Here we go. So in here, a braided USB-C to Apple Watch wireless charger base that we get with every Apple Watch. And here is the meat and potatoes. So let's get this out of here. Let's get this right into view. Open this girl up, and there we are. So it is very nice looking. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, the Apple snob in me right now was quite thrilled with how this looks. Wow. It's big. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be, but it is big. Let's get this out. Shout out to my man CJ Unplugged for letting me know that these watch bands do work on the Apple Watch Ultra. All right, I just powered it on. Hold on, let me get these fingerprints off. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Part of the reason I really wanted to try the Ultra was really just for aesthetics. Like, I really like the way this looks. Setup is always so easy on Apple Watches. Your Apple Watch is now paired. Also, if you already have an Apple Watch, it gives you the option to set it up just like your other one is. So I like that. Let's go ahead and set that up. Terry's aluminum 45, continue. So I'm about to put it on my wrist for y'all while it's setting up, just so y'all can see it side by side. I'm sorry for this awkward angle with the Series 7 45mm. On the wrist, now I don't have terribly big wrists, but I also don't have tiny wrists. It is quite a bit bigger, and you definitely feel it on the wrist. It's not heavy, but you definitely feel like there's more watts there. So I'm gonna take the Series 7 off, and I'm gonna put on the Apple Watch Ultra. Now, while this is setting up, I gotta acknowledge a few things, right? I'm an Apple snob. I know typically I just talk about cameras and stuff on this channel, but I'm an Apple snob. Like, all of my products are Apple. I got Android phones too. I love Android phones, but anytime Apple comes out with new tech, it's like, I gotta have it. I wasn't planning on buying this. I don't even know if this is gonna be worth the money. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it, but I had to try it out for myself. Now, to be honest, I have no intentions on surfing, hiking, scuba diving, mountain trekking, literally none of that stuff. I wanted this watch specifically for the look. It's pompous, first world problems, but it is. I wanted it for the battery life, which is huge. I wanted it for the increased screen brightness. I wanted it for the louder speaker. C-Kid is calling me right now. Let's see what this is all about. All right, Devin, you being recorded right now. I'm talking to you on the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm trying to test out the volume, so say something, bruh.
What up, what up, what up?
Oh, that is pretty loud.
Man, I just got mine today, bro.
Did you?
I ain't even taken mine out of the box yet.
I just unboxed mine.
So it's fire.
I mean, it's fire, but I don't know if it's $799 fire. We gonna find out. Plug your YouTube channel.
Hey, man, y'all go follow your boy, man, C-Kid TV. You know what I mean? We dropping videos every day.
And also, for the action button. Also, I do go to the gym and I throw around weights and stuff like that. And although I don't have any scratches on my Series 7, I mean, there might be some like hairline scratches, but nothing major. Like, having something like this gives me more peace of mind when I'm at the gym, because I go hard in the gym. I think Apple watches are ugly. I think Samsung has the best watches aesthetically, and obviously real watches look way better than smart watches. But from an Apple snob for an Apple watch, I can't even lie. I want to hate this thing, but it looks so good on the wrist. Is it $799 good looking? No, but for what it is and what it provides, I love the way it looks. I'm a big fan of huge watch faces, and this is a giant watch face. So I think I'm gonna end up, I can't even say for sure. I want to keep it, but I guess we're gonna find out. So I do like the way it feels on the wrist, and also I'm a tech snob. I like the way it looks. It looks like a giant freaking computer on the wrist. I'm not even gonna lie. The other thing that's crazy is how strong the haptic vibration is on this watch. When it buzzed a second ago, it almost like startled me, because why are you freaking buzzing so hard on my wrist like that? I want to talk some perspective real quick, because I just spent $799 on a watch, and that's typically not even in my freaking character. And I get it, first world problems. I'm thankful that I've been able to buy this watch, even if I don't know if I'm 100% gonna keep it. Right now, I feel like I might have wasted money because it costs so much. And honestly, most of the people buying this watch probably ain't doing none of that stuff that Apple has advertised that the Ultra is all about. So I don't know. I don't know if it's a bad investment. It could be. I might end up taking it back. But for now, I'm going to put it through its paces. I guess that marks the end of this video, because I need to do some testing over the next couple days. But this will be the first in probably 2 or 3 videos on the Apple Watch Ultra. I'll keep y'all posted on if I'm keeping this thing and what I think about it. I am going to try to put it through more paces than I typically would, but yeah, that's where we are. So I'm actually pretty hyped about this, rocking it, and I like the size and all that stuff. But I'll get back to y'all. So till next time, I'm out of here. Piece of chicken grease, Tyson Terry Warfield. Peace.